to Loria Zaria's YouTube channel. For today's video, we'll talk about rational algebraic expression. Before we start this video, click that subscribe button below and also the notification bell para updated ka sa mga next video namin. Without further ado, let's start.
A rational algebra expression. A rational algebra expression is a ratio of the two polynomials provided that the denominator is not equal to 0. In the symbols P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials. Solution: M over N. M stand for numerator, N stand for denominator. So, when N equal to 0.
Step in operations on rational algebraic expression. To add or subtract rational algebraic expression, you must always check the denominator. In adding or subtracting rational algebraic with common denominator, always reduce your answer to its simplest form.
What is domain? Domain is the set of all possible values of the variable that are allowed. Restricted values can make rational expression undefined. Simplifying rational algebraic expression. Example, x squared minus 6x plus 8 over 4x minus 8. The GCF or the greatest common factor is 4. Factor the numerator and denominator. X minus 4, x minus 2 over 4, x minus 2. Cancel out or divide the common factor. So, cancel out the x minus 2. The answer will be x minus 4 over 4. Here is another example. A squared plus a minus 6 over a squared minus 2a minus 15. So, first is factor the numerator and denominator. So, paano natin nakuha yung sagot na to? Yung a plus 3, a minus 2 over a minus 5, a plus 3. Paano natin siya nakuha? So, 3 times 2 is 6. Ayun yung 6 dun sa given. Then, 5, negative 5 plus positive 3 is negative 2. Yung negative 2a dun. Then, 5 times 3 is 15. Kaya natin siya nakuha. So, cancel out or divide the common factor. So, magkapareha yung a plus 3. So, cancel the a plus 3. So, ang matitira is yung final answer natin, which is a minus 2 over a minus 5.